Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off lock screen notification in sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, click the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, click the options under the notifications. Then after that, in the notifications, you will see a switch button on the show on lock screen. And all you have to do is turn it on to enable. When the show on lock screen is enabled, it will show silence notifications on lock screen instead of in notification center. And if you want to disable, just turn again the switch button to turn off. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off lock screen notifications in sleep focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.